Guys, today I'm gonna organize my desk so I have my things. So let's get started. So I actually built this thing. I put things on it already. Let's just put the flower here. Okay guys, here's the flower. So I don't even know how that ended up there. So let's just put this here, over here, so it's gonna be clean. And also guys, I have this cup, so just put it here because and I also have another one, so let's put my markers inside. I have a lot. Okay guys, so it's done. So let's put it here. Okay, you guys remember this one, so I'm gonna put my pens. Okay guys, this is what it looks like. So let's go. So I have my highlighters, let's just put it on. Okay, and then let's get this thing here. Okay guys, so I actually put this on. There's stickers here. They kind of fall out. I have this thing. It's for my pencil case because my pencil case is clear. Okay guys, so I have this thing. Let's just put on here. Good. Okay guys, so you might know I have tape because isn't that the thing that we all need? Okay, I have big one. And this one. Oh no, it doesn't fit. Okay, so I had to move my camera here so that the tape won't block the camera. Okay, so I also have nano tape, so let's put it here. And this thank you sticker. This is what it looks like. I have one. This one is my favorite one. It says thank you. Just put it here. Oh, doesn't fit again. Why? Just put it on the other side. So like that. So I'm just gonna. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna put this here on so that I know. Let's put the nano. So you guys might know I have this. It's my journaling pack. So yeah. So it has this thing, so that means I can hang it. Oh. So guys, I found another place for the tape so I can hang this and the scissors. It's okay. So here this is what my desk looks like often. This thing. So you guys know that I like stickers, so I print stickers. I have sticker paper for this, but they're kind of blurry, so I just put them for the side because why not? Right. Okay guys, this is what it looks like. I don't have any more space, so this is the